Hello students, this is my fifth video on statistics. Two video I have posted on mean, two on median, and this is the first part on mode. On this first introductory, this is introductory video. Median also first two part you can see they were introductory video, Ojai-Waldo cumulative frequency curve, and mean first one was introductory, second one I have explained to you shortcut, direct and step deviation method, in which some more problem I will put. And again in mode also we have to solve mode by histogram. I'll put another video for that. So this is introductory video to understand what is mode. Mode, here first we get the concept of mode. And first part I am doing mode of ungrouped data, like this data, raw data, they are called ungrouped data. We have two more type of data which I will be dealing in the next video. Will be grouped discrete data, and the third one is grouped data with class interval, where we use histogram. Similarly for median we have seen the same. So first two we have done, third one we have to do. So here let us see first the concept, then few basic question, because this is introductory question and I am using book ML Agrawal chapter 21.3. So introduction and the three question which I do, this is 2009 and two more I will do after this. So first let us understand what is mode. First is variate occurring most frequently. So we will see in first sum, or which has maximum frequency, and there is one empirical relationship between mean, median, mode, because here in second part of my discussion we will find for one particular set of ungrouped data, raw data, we have to find mean, median and mode, and this is one of very favorite question of ICSE, which I am going to show you by two more sum. This is also ICSE sum. So one relationship is there between mode. So this is an approximate rough relationship where mode is 3 times median minus twice mean. This formula sometime we use in class 11 and 12, but as far as ICSE is concerned, we don't use this formula. I have just written it since I saw it mentioned in the textbook. So first we have your question number 1, part 1. Here we have to find what is the mode of the given data. What is the mode? So see here, this data we don't need to arrange. We have the data. This is question 1, part 1, 3, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 5, 3. So as you see, 3 comes thrice. If you see 2, 2 comes twice, and 1 comes once, and 0 comes once, 5 comes once. So 3 has come maximum. So you will write mode is equal to 3 as it occurs, it repeats maximum number of times. So see, in given data 3 is repeated maximum number of times. Same thing you see, question 1, part 3, we have this set of data 90285 like that. So you see 5 here repeats thrice, whereas other thing you will see they repeat twice or less than twice. So 5 here is a mode, and same logic, because it is 5 is repeated, as 5 is repeated maximum number of times. So here also number of times. Okay. Now, so this was So variate occurring most frequently. Okay, so and this maximum frequency one we will see in the second problem where I deal with part 2 video. You will see very soon where I will show you which has maximum frequency. This is used when we have grouped discrete data. So this first one applies here, variate. So these are all variate, which varies. Variate comes from what? Varies means which changes. Variate occurring most frequently. So here 3 is occurring and here your 5 is occurring thrice. Now next very important and very favorite question of ICSE board. Find mean, median, mode of this ungrouped data. So you count the number of things first. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 set of data. So n is 9. Second thing what we have to do for median. See, for mode and mean you don't need to arrange. But my advice is when you arrange here in median, better you arrange before so that your mode and mean does not go wrong. So actually for median you need to have an array. Array means arranging a thing from small to big in generally ascending order. It is also called ascending order. So there is one short word called array. So what I have done to save your time is I have arranged this set of data in ascending order. So you take 6. So here we write 6. So when you write 6, you cancel here 6. Another 6 you write and you cancel here. Then 7, 7 you copy, then cancel here. So that you don't make a mistake while writing it again. And second thing, always count the total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Because sometimes if you miss one set of data, all the answer will go wrong. So these questions are very easy, children, but you have to be careful when you do the calculation. So first mode. So mode as I taught you, so just I have changed the order many times. You will see just I changed the order. Exam you can do just to make you understand. I have taught 2 modes here. So mode you will see which is coming maximum. Here you see it is scattered 10 here, 10 here, 10 here. So when you write them in ascending order, it becomes very clear that 6 is coming twice and 10 comes thrice and rest of the thing come once. So mode is 10 and same reason as it is repeated maximum number of times. Okay. Now second thing I have taught in my previous video, you must see my part 1 of median. Like this is mode part 1. Please go and see median part 1. You will get idea of median. Here again I am going to explain. Median means the middle one. Median means the middle one. So here you see we have 9 set of data. Leave this 4 this side. Leave this 4 this side. So if 9 people are standing or numbers are there in ascending order. So 4 you leave this side plus 4 here 8. This 5th one is the middle one, which is the median. So this is a logical method. I'll tell you how you will do in exam. So leave this 4 side, leave this 4. 10 is the middle one. But here we do by a formula n plus 1 by 2th term, which I have explained to you in part 1 of my median video. N plus 1 by 2th data. So this is n is 9 children. Number of data 9 plus 1 by 2. That is 5th, 10 by 2, 5th term or the I term. So 5th term 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is my median. Okay. This is my median. 5th item. This is by logic. So 5 is not the answer. 5th term. 5th term 10 is the answer. Now last part mean. Just I'll show you how we get which you will see in my mean part 1 video where I have explained to you this simple concept of mean, which most of you know from your class 8 and 9. So mean is sum of thing by number of thing. Actually this question is the first one you have to do. So please write formula sum of things by number of things. So here what we do, we add all this. You can do this also without arrangement, but I would advise you, when you do like this, your chances of making mistakes becomes least. So 6, 6, 7, 8, 10, 10, 10 plus 11 plus 13. As I've told you, there are 9 set of data. So please add them. Let us see, 12, 19, 27, 57, 68, 81 by 9. So my mean is 9, mode is 10, median is 10. So finally, what you can write for this question, mean is equal to 9, median is equal to 10, and mode is equal to 10. So once more boys, all three things we have to find. This is very important question of ICSE. Arrange them before, because for median you cannot take the fifth term. Suppose it is not arranged, first, second, third, fourth, fifth. So by coincidence answer is coming 10, but generally you won't get. So arrange them. Even if you get answer correct without arranging, you will get 0 in exam. You have to arrange them. So what I did, before I did anything, I arranged. I got the mode also, you can see, thrice it is coming, maximum mode is 10, median is the middle term I have explained, and mean you have to take sum of thing by number of things. So please pause your video and copy down, then I'll show you 2 more ICSE questions. So boys, now we see question number 4. Same thing, this is ICSE 2000 and this is another ICSE question whose here I had mentioned. So what you will see here, again a set of ungrouped raw data is given which are 10 in number. For saving your time, I have put them in ascending order. But as I told you, for median only you need ascending order, mean and mode you can get without ascending order. But when you put in ascending order, see here, without anything I know that mode is 3. It occurs, it is repeated maximum number of time, as 3 is repeated maximum number of times. Next thing you will see, children, is your median. Median we have arranged, so there are 10 set of things. These are the value of the data. So out of 10 things, leave 4 things here and 4 things here. So finally we have 2 middle term. As I told you, if there are 10 things, 4 you leave here, 4 you leave there. So 4, 4, 8. So there are 2 middle terms in case of even number of item, and the median is the mean of this. So the median is 3.5. So this, but if you use formula, children, formula says nth by 2th term plus nth by 2th plus first term by 2, which is here 5th term, because n is 10. So here we have 10 by 2 plus 10 by 2 plus 1. So this term by 2 means what I have here is 5th term plus 6th term by 2. So we have 3 plus 4 by 2 is 3.5. So this is, you will see, the long is your, how we do with formula, n by 2, that is 5th term, 10 by 2, 6th term divided by 2. So this, with I told you with logic we did, for you leave here 5th and 6th term, there are 2 middle terms, the mean of that. So this is how you will write if you want to write in detail. And the last one, children, is mean. So kindly copy pause and copy, then I'm going to show you how we get the mean. So see, for mean what we do is we simply add the thing by number of things. So if you see mean is we add the thing. So better you can add this raw data without arranging, and this is with arranging. So when you add them and you divide by number of thing, we have 10. Number of thing, as you have seen, we have 10. Now see, add them. 1 plus 2 plus 3, 6, 9, 12, 16, 26, 32, 39. So 39 by 10 children is 3.9. So once more, mean is sum of thing by number of thing. We get 3.9, median is 3.5, and the mode is 3. I have done in reverse order. You can do in this order also, mean, median, mode. And the last one is also ICSE question, which is here 2017. This is ICSE 2017 question. Very easy question, which is applied on the idea of median and mode. So what is given here? Median is given 48. We have to solve for x. So what we have to get? Find x and the mode. So these are all children 3 marks question in ICSE, which you will see. So median is 48. As I told you in this discussion, how many set of data is there? 10. So exactly same formula what I had written here. So median is 1, 2, 3, 4. You leave here. 4 turns you leave here. These two are the median. So sum of this 2 by 2. As I showed you in this example when I was showing the calculation. So sum of the middle two term, 5th and 6th term, like here, divided by 2 is 46. 48. Now let us solve. This 2 goes up. This is 2x plus 4 is equal to 2 into 48. 2x is 96 minus 4. So x is 46. 92 by 2, 46. So x is 46. So children, once you put x as 46, this becomes 50. So see this again. If you put x as 46, this x plus 4, 46 plus 4, 50. So full data, every detail you know. Now which is the mode? Which is coming maximum? Only these two. 46 which was given originally and 46 which we have found as x. So only these two data are 46 and this is 50 as we see. So none of the item is repeated. So mode is 46 as it is repeated maximum number of time. So it is repeated maximum number of times. So children, your x is also 46 and mode is also 46. So kindly pause the video, copy everything, practice solved example, practice unsolved what I have done, and rest of the question also you can try. Thank you for watching this video.